Going on? So I wanted to make a bit of an unboxing video today with Crosshair, the Transformer. Autobot from Transformers the last night because I was doing some model shopping and you know how I love the color green. I also actually used to be really big in Transformers back in the day. I always just enjoyed watching unboxing videos and stuff. Got to get back to my roots a little bit. Also, it's just really cool because I used to watch YouTubers like Sean Long and like Rimfire. They used to do these Transformer reviews, and I just thought they were so cool. So let's get on into it. Yeah, you can see the really nice metallic kind of green paint job this guy's got. It'll be easier to see when I'm actually taking it out of the box. Okay. Got my handy dandy box opening knife. Anyways, so here we go. It's the Corvette Stingray 2016 model. I'm not exactly sure what the stock version looks like, but I'm pretty sure that's a custom spoiler on it and a hood. Pretty sick. It's got some nice, it's got some really cool side skirts, sort of carbon looking, and it's also got a front lip. Pretty cool. You can also see the Autobot crosshairs on the bottom. Whoop! It's funny, I'm not really as into Transformers as I used to be, but this one was just really cool. I really dig that black and green color scheme. Check out the Autobot logo right there. Wait, there we go. That's a little bit better. Rolls decently well. I mean, they're not really meant to move around that much. They're more just meant to be put on the shelf. Yeah, you can see the back of it here. It's got the quad exhaust, which is really nice looking. Alright, so I got the hood pop. Check it out. It's got this nice chrome finish on it. Very cool. You can kind of see the details a little bit in there. Open up the doors as well. Kind of see inside there. Let me just move my clips off here. See the steering wheel and everything. Bit of the dash. I wonder if the back trunk opens. The back trunk does typically open on these things. Oh, there we go. Yep. There's really not a whole lot back here. But the spoiler is really nice on this thing. Really cool. Kind of like aggressive looking. It's got your green Autobot logo right there. It's a little subtle. Well, sort of. With the black and green it stands out a bit. But it looks really nice. Especially with that metallic finish on it. And just the green decals are super cool. See, I'm definitely a big fan of the color scheme. Yeah, the hood all looks really nice and everything. Sweet. But here it is in comparison with the Mitsubishi Eclipse from Fast and Furious 1. I believe that's the 1999 GSX model, which is kind of cool. Yeah, so this is the 1/24 scale. So I guess kind of see the Corvette's a bit bigger, a bit longer. Definitely a newer design for sure. But I guess you can kind of see how well the Eclipse design holds up to modern day stuff. Yeah. Anyways, that was a review of / unboxing of the Crosshair Camaro 2016 edition from Transformers: The Last Night. It's just a cool model. I mean, of course, it doesn't transform like an actual Transformer would, but you know, it's very nice and durable. And if you're an older Transformer fan like I am, something that you can like display on a shelf, you know, and it's really sweet. I don't actually know if they made these for the Bumblebee movie or not, but if they did, I'll definitely have to look at them. Although they're mostly older cars for that, so I don't know. They had a lot of nice cars in that one, though. I'm pretty sure in The Last Night, one of them was like a Bugatti as well. Yeah, all right, cool. Hope you enjoyed that, and peace out for now.